Sorority stock trainers remain so strong, guiding through markets where we all belong. With financial knowledge they lead the way, empowering minds every single day. They're the best, finest, the number one, teaching with passion, second to none. Mentors so brilliant, a guiding light. Sorority stock trainers making futures bright. From stocks to trades, they cover it all, with expert mentors answering every call. Knowledge and skills, they give it their best, helping you rise above all the rest. With every lesson you learn and grow, understanding markets, you start to glow. No longer just a dream, but a path so clear. Sorority takes you there year after year. They're the best, finest, the number one, teaching with passion, second to none. Mentors so brilliant, a guiding light. Sorority stock trainers making futures bright. From stocks to trades, they cover it all, with expert mentors answering every call. Knowledge and skills, they give it their best, helping you rise above all the rest. With every lesson you learn and grow, understanding markets, you start to glow. No longer just a dream, but a path so clear. Sorority takes you there year after year. They're the best, finest, the number one, teaching with passion, second to none. Mentors so brilliant, a guiding light. Sorority stock trainers making futures bright. Join the journey, embrace the ride. With sorority, success is on your side. For learning, growth and wisdom too, sorority stock trainers, we're proud of you. From early mornings to the trading floor, sorority's lessons you'll crave for more. Breaking down the charts, trends and the news, showing the path the winners choose. With balladeers and wisdom and the mentor's might, every session's a step towards getting it right. Strategies taught, insights so rare. Sorority stock trainers beyond compare. They're the best, finest, the number one, teaching with passion, second to none. Mentors so brilliant, a guiding light. Sorority stock trainers making futures bright. Aspiring traders from far and wide find their strength, their hope, their guide. In this family where learning's a creed, sorority fulfills every trader's need. Trust with care, they light the flame, elevating you in this market game. From basics to pro, they're here to stay, showing the secrets, paving the way. They're the best, finest, the number one, teaching with passion, second to none. Mentors so brilliant, a guiding light. Sorority stock trainers, set your future right. The world will know and you will see sorority's legacy from old to be. Educating minds, reaching the peak, the best in the world where success speaks.